Science is important because it helps us understand our world better.
It helps us know how the things work and study the forces that make our world.
Science is important because it makes our life more advanced by improving the technology.
Science helps us to find new inventions and solve problems.
We need to follow the scientific method because it can help us keep our work fair, accurate, and tidy.
When we make, how to make energy.
I really like when we make a circuit because it was really excited when we made it and we try something new. I think this is my favorite.
And my favorite experiment is when we created a lever because it is fun to lift things up and down and see how it works.
My favorite experiment is we trying to make the renewable energy source.
My favorite thing was when the DP student came and talked about the science things, and I like the measuring things because now I learned that heavy things, if you put a string and then you put some heavy things on it, then it will be more longer because it will keep going down and down.
I think we should use it because it's better for our planet.
Because renewable energy can help us a lot, and renewable energy can do so much things.
Science helps people figure out what they did wrong. It can also help them understand why it's working. For example, the TV, it works from electricity.
Science is important because as science can make a lot of things make sense. Like when you are going down a ramp and then you let go of your car, it just slides down the ramp. You don't know what does that, right? It's motion. The wheels turn. The wheel and axle is a type of simple machine that makes work much easier to push things. And then the force pushing the wheel and axle is gravity. It keeps you down on Earth. So if you technically build a too high skyscraper, it can't withstand so much gravity, it'll just crash down.